All right, everybody. I pray everyone's doing great this evening and you're having a great time. And I'm going to show you here what I have, some food I got today around the yard and just stuff from the local neighborhood. Not the local supermarket, but the local neighborhood. Yes, I pick food from trees and I've been blessed to do that. When I was younger, I grew up in New York City and I never seen a fruit on a tree. And I didn't like fruits because they weren't fresh, they weren't ripe, and they just didn't taste well. And today I have this fruit here. I just picked this off one of my trees. This is a star fruit. And the reason why they call it a star fruit is, if you cut it, it looks like a star. And you can see these in some supermarkets. These go for about $1 to $2 each. If you're going to hit whole paycheck, they might even cost more. And they pick them green off the tree. I just picked this off my tree and it's yellow. That's the color it's supposed to be. And it tastes like a sweet watermelon. And somebody just told me they've had these before and they didn't taste well at all. They were very sour. And there is a sour variety, but these are one of the sweetest fruits you can find. So I'm going to have some of that right now. These two fruits are soursop, also known as guanabana. And this one's ripe, this one's not, but I'll have one of these right now. I got these off one of my trees. These are called nispero, also known as sapodilla. And they taste like brown sugar. And they're in season in the winter time. All of these are winter fruits, by the way. There's a lot of fruits that ripen in the summertime, but these are winter fruits. So we have the soursop, we have the sapodilla, we have the star fruit, which is always in season, and then we have a black sapote known as a chocolate pudding fruit. Now, the reason why I show you these fruits here right now is to explain something. When I explain to people about a raw vegan diet, people say it's too boring. And I agree, it's boring if you're just eating apples and oranges, even though apples and oranges have many varieties and they can taste amazing. But the apples and oranges you get from the store, especially oranges, are not ripe, fresh, and they don't taste as well. But if you get a true orange from a tree, even on that you can find excitement. But these are examples. Chocolate pudding fruits, and star fruits, brown sugar fruits, and soursops with like a custard apple. I am telling you, you could taste a different variety every single day for the rest of your life and not come close to tasting all the varieties of different foods out there. This way of eating, the raw vegan diet, is so exciting. And every day I just go outside and I look around the trees to see what's available. I have coconuts on the tree right now. I got bananas I'm about to pull off the tree. I have 5 different varieties of bananas in my yard. Bananas are different than the ones you taste in the store, completely different. And there's so many different varieties to all these winter fruits. Now the summer, it's just crazy. There's so many more fruits available, but even in the winter time we have things. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you live there in South Florida and you could have it available too, but what about us? And there are some stores that do sell these things somewhat ripe and available. You just have to do the research and find them. And most big cities have international grocery markets that have foods like this. And if you don't have something good to eat, don't settle for something bad to eat. Just don't eat. It's okay to skip a meal or even skip 2 meals. It's better to skip a meal than to eat something bad, because when you do eat, if you eat something good, you can afford to get away with skipping a meal because you'll have so many nutrients from everything that was good. But the real reason many people are eating is not for nutrients. I understand it's for pleasure. And people say, I know I'm telling them to eat less or less often, but they just want to eat. And I say, well, if you eat less, you live longer, then you get to eat more. So make sure that you're being wise about your selections. And when you go to the store, most of the food you put in your body, I say at least 75 to 80% should be something that does not come in a box, bag, container, or can. And that is raw, fresh fruits and vegetables. All right, if you have any comments or questions about these fruits, if you've ever tasted these fruits before, put a comment below and let people know what you think of them. And I'm telling you, if you've had fruits like this brown sugar fruit and you did not like it, you did not get a good one. It wasn't ripe, fresh, or something like that. These fruits are amazing and they're available. So go check them out, search out different places. Don't go shopping at the same place that doesn't have these. Go to maybe the store across the street that you've never went in and see if they have these. All right? Until then, everybody, have a great day and a great raw life.